Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to factory reset or hard reset your TCL 4X 5G. The model number on this device is T601DL. Very easy steps on how to reset it. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. First, you want to make sure the device is turned off. Press and hold the power and shut off the device. Once the device is turned off, there are two buttons you would need to perform the reset: the power and the volume up key. Hold and press the volume up, then press the power and keep holding until the device turns on. Once it comes on, you want to release the power and keep holding the volume up key until the recovery screen comes up. Very easy thing. Once you get to this menu right here, scroll down to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power key to confirm the second option, then press the power key again. Once it's done wiping, everything is deleted, and that's it. Very easy. You can go ahead and reboot your device, and it's going to be back to factory settings. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this video simple and easy, and you want to help out the channel, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.